everyone, and welcome back to my channel, The Little Dragon Reader. The book I'm reading today is Nikoo's Paintbrush. This story is based on my favorite hobby, painting, especially with bright, vibrant colors. Today we have a guest, and that is my little cat, McTwitchytail. I chose McTwitchytail to be our guest because she is very colorful and has a nice design on her. Nikoo loves his paintbrush. He likes to paint with it the whole day. Today, Nikoo is reading an adventure story to Sher Singh about a king and sailors in a big blue sea. Sher Singh is Nikoo's cat. Did you spot him? Nikoo fetches his paintbrush and some brightly colored paints. Plop! A blob of blue becomes the big blue sea. Suddenly, splash! Nikoo falls into his painting. He swirls about in the sea. There are fish all around him. Come, Nikoo, they say. We'll teach you to swim. I am too tired to swim now, says Nikoo. I know. I will paint myself a boat. I miss Sher Singh, thinks Nikoo. I know. I'll bring him here. Meow. I want to eat the fish, says Sher Singh. Oh no, I must save the fish, thinks Nikoo. I know, I'll paint some jalebis for Sher Singh. He loves jalebis. Did you know jalebis are an Indian mithai? Mithai means sweet in India. Not only Sher Singh, but children would also love to eat jalebis because of their fun shapes and flavor. Oof, the sun is very hot. Nikoo paints some clouds to hide the sun. Oh no, it has started raining. Nikoo quickly paints an umbrella over his head. The rain stops. It is dark now. Nikoo paints stars in the sky. And as the boat rocks gently, Nikoo and Sher Singh fall fast asleep. Wasn't that a good story, everyone? Nikoo is a very wonderful artist. Nikoo had so many adventures through his imagination and painting. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can stay tuned to see more stories from Little Dragon Reader. Have a great day!